Hey guys, welcome back. I am starting my second spread in my Traveler's Notebook subscription from Journals for Life. This is such a cool, I don't know, totally botanical green, vibing on the spring kind of thing, this kit. So I've got this little it's about 2x2 picture of these Shasta daisies that I grow out in my front flower bed. Nope. These are the ones in my back flower bed. They're like these short little dwarf dinky with big floral heads on them. And I love when they come up. And I liked the green and really deep yellow in it. And I've got some of that in these, in my embellishment. So I was like, okay, let's go with it. Now I love green and purple together as well. So I liked the idea of using this text print. I'm just layering up some of these really cool, I'm vibing on it kind of pieces here. And I feel like I better just get these down. I was going to come in to do something over here, maybe a big tag. I think I'm going to make a big tag with this, but I like the way this is clustered. So I'm actually going to zoop in right quick and I apparently need to change my ATG. That is tragic. Okay. So let me get these pieces on really quickly because if I don't, I'm going to have a couple of regrets. So let's get this piece lined up a bit, maybe right there. This piece gets to go, and I liked the purpley bit sticking off the side, and then finally this bit. And clearly I need to switch out my ATG tape. I just got a big order of new ATG tape though, so I was down to one, which is not a good situation for a crafter. Okay, so this is what I call when I get the base of a layout done. To me, that's a base is done. This side, I need to map my photo, which let's see if this is big enough. Yay! Oh, is it big enough? Yeah, it's giving me just enough white. I need to map my photo. I want to create some kind of a tag kind of thing, and then play with whatever the embellishments are. I really like our washi. So I like the idea of bringing that in as well. And I'm thinking, do I want to do a whole thing? I don't know. I'm going to see what it looks like once I get the tag going. Oh, and then I added just this cute little clip I've had hanging around. Okay, I'll be back in a jiffy. I created a quick tag with that pattern paper that comes with our kit, which is bringing this purple over ever so nicely, all of that kind of stuff. But let me show you a couple things I found. I went looking for some twine and I found these in my stash. Don't ask where they're from because, yeah, I can't tell you. So I can have one on both sides. I also found this trim and I'm wondering about oh yeah, that needs to go off the side. So I'm going to do that and have a row of this with it. I think that would zhuzh up the party. So I have got to get, where's my red line tape? Let me see if it's the right thickness. That might work. I'm going to see. Okay, let me get that on. I love dangly bits, so that was making me super happy. Maybe I'll get a little bit of it over here because I have plenty as well. Let me get that popped. So I have the base of the layout done. Instead of using that hole that I punched for zero reason whatsoever, I popped up this little die cut on a little bit of dimensional adhesive. So this is where we are so far. I've got some floofy stuff in a couple spots because, you know, I do like it nice chunky looking TN. So we have that going. Now I did find only 2 of these cute flowers, but I'm thinking that would be cute going crosswise. Now I've got this here. Do I need to bring in, I feel like I should be bringing in some of this washi, although I do have the butterfly that shows up over and over in the washi. So I don't know. Since I don't know, I will leave it over there for now. Now, what else do we have? I want stuff. And I've got a bunch of pretty things over here. Like, look at this. Ooh, that's bringing a nice bit of bright green. But what I'm thinking is shoving everything over just a tiny bit to bring that in. So hold on, just a yibbit. Which I do like that is overlapping the washi, which makes it seem like it's part of the same party. Now those two are there. Do I come up here so that would make no sense, what I just did? Let's see what else we have. I know I need green. I'm feeling like we need, ooh, look at this, Hello Sunshine. But that's another banner. Ugh. Do you guys know what it's like when you want to use everything all of the time? That is my issue. All right, so I like that there, that's great. It just makes me feel like these are not flowing. Like I need something up there or something, I don't know. All right. Let's get some liquid adhesive for my little florals. And I've got to put on my thinking cap just a little bit. Oh, I like it right there. That's cute. Kind of joining those seams together. I'm still having conflict over these 3 circles. All right, let me stare at it for a second. I really wanted to add in the yellow that would be bringing out these flowers. There's a little bit here and a little in the butterfly. So I went ahead and stamped with our butterfly stamp right here. This block is from the Journals for Life store, by the way. It's a circle with these ridges, and I love the way it feels. Okay, so I went ahead and added that in. And let's see, I already have something there. Maybe kind of coming up this way. Although I put 2 on here because I wanted to have 3 butterflies total. So I don't know. Maybe this one can fly off. That one's flying that way too. Everybody's flying away. What am I doing? Here, there we go. 1, 2, 3. So I have the butterflies. Now, what do I need? I should look at my cute little stamp set, which I have. Here it is. Let's see. Ooh, I do like the word spring. Spring is a good word to bring in. Is there any color I feel like we need to pop up here? Got my purple, I have my green and my yellow. I think I'm gonna stay with the yellow because I love this color scheme. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna get that on, and am I gonna call it done? I do have some of these little gem things I used in my last layout that kind of look like these. So I think maybe I'll pop a couple of those on, then I'll show you my finished layout. So all I did was add those couple little gems in, and they played off of the ones in these random little goodies that I found. And that completes that fun little layout. I am loving this kit. I will have links down below where you can get your hands on the kit and the Facebook group so you can show us what projects that you are creating at the same time. It's fun to see what other people do with the same supplies. Okay, any questions? Go ahead and pop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Oh, still shots in 1 moment.